हाँ जी, तो लास्ट डे रांची में आज हम ई रिक्शा ही ले रहे हैं अपना स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, क्योंकि इसने बहुत साथ दिया है।
हाँ,
हम
5 दिन लगातार
5 दिन लगातार हम फ्रॉम
लालपुर
लालपुर होटल जहाँ पे हमारा था
मुराबाद मुराबादी
से हम मोराबादी जाते रहे हैं ई रिक्शा में। तो मिलता कि आज इसको ट्रिब्यूट देते हैं
like true Ranchi sense.
थ्रू रांची एंड एब्सोल्युटली लव द सिटी। मतलब इट इज अ क्विंटेसेंशियल टियर 2 सिटी
हाँ।
जहाँ पे लोग भी अच्छे हैं, बात भी अच्छे से करते हैं। तो एवरीथिंग हैज बीन गुड हियर एंड इवन द organization of the event, though somewhere there were a few flaws, but overall has went well. Time discipline has been
Yeah, time
maintained.
discipline is pretty good.
Yeah.
And yeah, there was some like it's a very good ground, but I do feel they
need to
maintain it very well. Yeah.
तो आज है फाइनल डे
Final
सीनियर
day.
फेडरेशन कप का। अभी तक का थॉट बताओ यार, कैसा लगा आपको ओवरऑल अंकुश?
I mean, like first 2 days were really electric. I must say.
हाँ.
Yesterday was a bit of a downer.
हाँ.
Even though we saw national records in
Yeah.
pole vault, but
and incredible performance by सर्वेश
सर्वेश।
हाई जंप। वो व्लॉग आ चुका है, व्लॉग नंबर 3 भी आ चुका है। तो हाँ, प्लीज जाइए, उसको भी देखिए, मजेदार व्लॉग है।
Yeah.
थोड़ी बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी रही लॉन्ग जंप में खासकर,
Yeah.
बट वो आप देखना, आपको सब पता रहेगा उसमें।
So yeah, like I can't believe this like fourth and final day
Yeah.
has already been arrived because it's been a long ride. So we've been traveling from Ahmedabad to Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar to Ranchi.
Yes.
Now it's finally time to go back to Bangalore. Recharge our batteries a bit more.
Yeah, for the next week.
Next meet, yeah.
बट आज के फाइनल डे में मैं बड़ा एक्साइटेड हूँ यार। बहुत सारे इवेंट लाइन अप है और मेरी फेवरेट शर्ट भी वापस आ चुकी है, लोचे।
Yeah, I forced him to wear this because yesterday he didn't wear it, and we
The
saw
performance was
wasn't that
not
good.
a little par
Yeah.
ऊपर से, है ना? तो आज पहले ट्रिपल जंप, शॉर्ट पट, जैवलिन, जिसमें हमें प्रवीण चित्राबिल वर्सेस अब्दुल्ला अबूबकर, और शॉर्ट पट में तेजिंदर पाल सिंह जी, who is the legend of Indian shot putting. And then in javelin, so by numerous names, but
Sachin
standout
Yadav
names are
versus
Sachin and
Rohit Yadav.
Rohit Yadav. That is the contest that we'll be looking for. In the track events, however, I am very keen to see Animesh, what he does
Animesh,
after.
yeah.
आपने ट्वीट डाला
Yeah,
था,
I had tweeted. He was devastated after 100-meter loss because like in India, like anywhere in the world, like सब लोग उगते सूरज को ही सलाम करते हैं, right? So Gurinder Veer Singh
stole his thunder.
yeah, like and he was devastated, and
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward that how he coops back.
चलो नेशनल रिकॉर्ड है और बड़े मार्जिन से आया।
Yeah, I'm pretty sure if
They will be firing,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And 400 मीटर हर्डल्स नहीं मैं भूलना चाहूंगा। कल तो भाई कुछ अलग ही गजब ही हो गया था। सभी लोग 40, मतलब संतोष ने भी सब 50 क्लॉक किया and he was jogging after the last hurdle. ठीक है, same case was with Yashas and Jabir also did the same, and their times were quite good, quite impressive. In fact, both of them qualified. The Jabir and Santosh qualified for the Commonwealth Games, courtesy of their performances times. तो वो भी मतलब कि एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इवेंट रहेगा देखने के लिए। उसके बाद 800 मीटर में मोहम्मद अफसल देखते हैं क्या करेंगे, एंड देन वी हैव 800 मीटर विमेन जिसमें पूजा रहेगी। अफसल से आप उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स का स्टैंडर्ड रीच करने के लिए, बिकॉज 145 ऑन द नोज इज द कॉमनवेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड। क्या लगता है, हो पाएगा?
हो जाएगा। I'm like he'll need to push himself.
Yeah, because there will be no one to push him, right?
Yeah.
Unless Krishan Kumar has other plans, है ना? So yeah, that was the contest there as well.
But let's see, the conditions have been up and down throughout the 3 days. Like,
आज का देखते हैं कैसा रहेगा।
Yeah, how the conditions are.
तो करें अभी यहाँ से हम सीधा स्टेडियम में मिलेंगे।
Yes.
ठीक है, stay tuned. Praveen going for his first attempt. Oh no, this is Tajinder Pal Singh too taking his first attempt in men's shot put. Okay.
19, above
19 and between 19 and 20. The 20.07, that's a good start for the Tajinder Pal Singh to men's shot put. He moves into the lead. In men's javelin, Sachin and Rohit both have started with 73. Not good?
No.
क्या हो रहा है भाई? देखते हैं, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट
we've jinxed it.
ठीक है, चलो लेट्स सी बाकी क्या हो रहा है, बट या TP tour has got a good start. In our intro we had missed to talk about Vidya. Yeah, Vidya Ramraj. She's in 400 hurdles final. She clocked a 400-meter flat PB to win gold in that event, 52.22, and her 50. The conversion usually is 3 to 3.5 seconds
Yeah, but
more
do
than
you
that.
think she will be tired after running two 400
Yeah, and
meters?
yesterday also, you see, there was no need
Yeah.
to have the round one because there were many of them were non-starters, so they could have easily gone for a final straight away. But yeah, that was unfortunate. Finally,
Yeah, that's the
she will
only
have to.
worry I have.
Yeah, let's see. But 55-42 तो difficulty है, but let's see. Anyway, yeah. To add to that, I'll be happy with sub 56. है ना? 80.97 for Shivam Lohakare in men's javelin. So he moves in the lead now. Samardeep Gill in the shot put circle. He's taking his second attempt. He's currently placed second after the first throw. Okay,
20.
looks like.
About 20.
Is it about 20?
Yes.
It looks between 19 and 21.
Yeah. I
Let's see
think
what the
it's
mark is.
similar. 20.
It is similar to Tejandar's attempt.
Yeah,
Let's see what the mark is exactly.
20.06.
Oh, that's very बहुत ही precise बोला आपने. No,
Yeah.
it's 19.56 actually. It looked very close to the tape on 19. So yeah, 1956.
At
A
least
good one,
I got 06 right.
but it's a good one actually. Jinder Pal Singh Toor going for his second attempt, 20.07 in his first.
नहीं.
Again a good one. It is between 19 and 21 again. Okay, 19.70. So no improvement on his first attempt. He needs 20.36 here to go qualify for the Commonwealth Games. Fito.
400-meter hurdles has started now.
Yes.
You'll see
Vidya coming
Vidya coming
into
in
the
front.
back straight. We are here at the back straight, so we'll be covering them from here to the curve, and we'll see who can finish first here. Vidya obviously has taken a massive lead.
Come on,
Come on, come on, Vidya!
come on!
Come on, come on! She is in a good lead, Vidya. Vidya is in a hefty lead. Can she get close to her national record, which is an equal national record? And here she comes and finishes the race. Okay, not a sub 56 as I had hoped for.
Told you.
It is 56.58 on the flash, so around 56.60, something like that. But yeah, recent performance. 2 golds for Vidya at the Senior Federations Cup in Ranchi. Now the hurdles height will change as they move from 400 hurdles women to men. 56.61 for Vidya and 57.77 for Sinchal. Okay, decent times, but let's see if she can grow in the lead up of interstates and at the interstates as well.
Yeah. Yeah. What like less said the better.
But why? It's an okay performance. She gets 2
It's
gold.
very disappointing because Federation Cup is like the premier competition, right? And the world standards have gone like from.
But could it be the case that because the Commonwealth Games standard were too out of sight, she kind of
But
gave
why
up
she
the
had
idea
to
of
compete in 400-meter flat and 400-meter hurdles both?
because it seems that 400 flat timing was a little more in her side. I don't know. I mean, this could be a very tough cookie to say. But yeah, the thing is that she gets 2 gold out of it. So yeah, that would help her confidence a little bit at least. Yeah, Praveen is on the runway. Let's see him. Now Praveen Chitravel running on the runway. Gets the spot. It looks a good one. His first attempt was a bit of a slip on the second leg. 1974 for Praveen in his second attempt. So yeah, good start. Into the javelin side of action.
Yeah,
कुछ
so
खास
far
हुआ नहीं
they
है.
haven't.
I think Shivam only has
Shivam, yeah,
got
crossed 80.
crossed 80. So देखते हैं अभी यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ से किस्मत बदलती है इनकी कि नहीं. Team Mathur going for 184. She has already won the competition with 182. And here we have Kishore Jena taking his throw.
कितना होगा?
There was a no attempt, and let's see what the mark here is.
भाई मुझे लग
Lohakare, the leader of the pack right
he
now.
looks in form. No.
Looks fine. Looks fine. Okay.
टेढ़ा लगाना चाहिए हमें।
79.21
नहीं
for
टेढ़ा होता है
Shivam in
भाई,
second
बट
attempt.
इन लोगों ने सीधा सीधा
Still is the
लगाया।
leader. Timatur takes her second attempt. 184. No, didn't get that one at all. Much anticipated 400-meter hurdles. Guys are going on the blocks. I am expecting a very fast time today. Going by yesterday's heats times, it could be something very special today in the 400-meter hurdles. Beautiful night sky or evening sky of Ranchi. It is looking again. The weather is like the first day itself, where it was very nice and breezy. Beautiful. Here are three athletes to watch out for. Lane number 4, 5, 6. क्या लगता है अभिषेक कौन जीतेगा ये और क्या टाइम रहेगा? मुराद तो खैर टॉप 4 में आ सकता है बट आई थिंक इट विल बी बिटवीन संतोष एंड यशस. Really? I think Santosh and Yashas will be the ones to watch out. So, Murad, Simran is there.
Junior Federation.
Great, let's see.
Yes, with peak fitness can do anything. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So, देखना पड़ेगा भाई. We will take this one. Timing मुझे लग रहा है 49-50 के नीचे जा सकती है.
And I mean, looking at the
Heat times.
reputation of track from the first time.
Yeah.
Can we expect a sub 49?
Oh.
Someone can beat the Darul record.
भाई मजे ही आ जाएंगे. मेरे को तो बड़ी होप है पर हो जाए तो बढ़िया है. Let's hope that. Let's hope for that. Good start for everyone. Well done on the start. Let's see. Let's catch them up on the home straight. You can see they are coming. It is between Yashas and Santosh only. And I think Santosh has got it. That's a great flash time, 48.94. That could be a PB for Santosh. है कि नहीं अमल भाई?
49.09 है.
है ना? That is a personal best for Santosh and for Yashas as well.
Yes.
Well done, guys.
880 ना?
It is going to be personal best for both Santosh and Yashas by the looks of it. Let's see if Javir has also got a PB, but I think no.
Santosh has a personal best of 49.09.
Yeah, and even Yashas has 49.40 if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
some-
Yeah. So what was the Commonwealth Games mark if I'm not?
That they have.
Yeah, 50-27. It was 50-27, right?
Already
Yeah, so both of them can be sent to Commonwealth Games. It is going to be some spectacular times, as I told you. Yashas got it. I'm not sure. See, if this is right. Well done. Yes, but it's a personal best for both of them. Well done, bhai. Very well done, Yashas. Many congratulations, bhai. 17.08 for Praveen in his third attempt. Consolidates his position. 46 for Samardeep. 2046 for Samardeep, bhai. That is a personal best for him, I guess.
Qualifies for
फिर से बोलना क्या बोला आपने? He has qualified for the Commonwealth Games.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
see if Tejinder Pal Singh can reply to it or give an answer to this. If he has answer to it. Here's Shivam, the leader of the pack.
Jilna into MP Jilna, All India Police, and V. Sudiksha of Karnataka.
Okay, looks close to 80. Looks close to 80, yeah. 80.38. I think he also got, na? Yashveer also got 83.8. So he's second currently.
yeah.
Women's 200 meter has started. Sudeshna Shivankar is looking favorite for this one.
Well, 5. Look at Kusum Thakur. Well, the lead there.
They are coming in the home
number
stretch.
4
The
by
wind is
Kusum
quite
Thakur.
good
Is
here.
it going to be the end there? That's a surprise.
Okay.
That's a big surprise.
Like close to the net.
22.89. That is crazy good. And I told you the wind is also very good. So I think Kusum Thakur has got it. Let's see.
Can you have it for the camera, please?
Why that's a good. But I think the wind was very heavy as well. Let's see if it is legal. Here is
And what does she
Is
say?
Kusum Thakur. No, it's 23.94. The flash was wrong. The flash was totally wrong.
1 second.
Wait, that was not expected at all. So yeah. 23.94 था यार.
Fake excitement.
Fake excitement, Babuji. Yeah. Has just thrown 80.40. He moves in the 80s, but it is not looking great for him till now. Shivam Lohakare, the leader of the pack, going for his fifth.
Asking Pathan, representing
नहीं नहीं.
Oh, it's around 80 again. More than 80 looks like that. I mean, this angle we cannot really tell, but let's wait for the official mark. That is 80.01 for Shivam, 80.01 for Shivam Lohakare. Men's 200 final. Animesh has taken a half delay already.
Move ahead now by a mile. That's what he always does. In 3 or 4 minutes, does that. But
It is easy win for him.
goes on as expected.
No, not the greatest of flashes. 2054, 2064, 2098, 2101.
नहीं हुआ ना.
That's
CWG.
ordinary time.
CWG.
81.71 for Shivam Lohakare. 5685 for Anamika to win the women's heptathlon. A good performance from her again. Yeah, that is pretty nice in these conditions as well. So yeah, kudos to her. 800 for women is starting, bro. 800 for women. I think Pooja is the favorite. But yeah, nothing. आज आज तो कल से भी ज़्यादा डल रहा है. But what did we see? मतलब special तो कुछ नहीं था. मतलब शिवम का 81.71 something and
Below par
below par.
performance.
Samardeep did a PB. He reached
and
the
Praveen Chitral did
17.08, है ना? And yeah, Santosh and Jabir did 49.00
flat and,
and 49.06.
06.
So yeah, देखते हैं.
Yeah.
But yeah, अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं आया. Hoping we are pinning our hopes from Mohammad Afzal and Pooja.
Yeah.
There go the women's 800 meter final. Girls, Pooja has taken an early lead as expected. Yeah, she is expected to win this one.
वो इंटरव्यू तुम डालते
See
ना
in
नहीं
the
आता, क्योंकि पीटीआई का रीच इतना है.
final lap. Yeah, Pooja is here. 59 seconds for the first lap. But yeah, one can see them, or probably they might slow down in the second lap. Now Pooja has taken a hefty lead on the last 100 meters. Let's see what the time is right. 154, 155. Okay, it's going to be more than 202, 203. That is it. 202.3 to the flash. Here is a winner, Pooja. 2.42. No one even close to her. Good win. The last race of the men's or the senior Federation Cup is here now. Men's 800 meter. It has just started. Here they are on the first lap. It is looking tactical only. I do not think they are attempting the Commonwealth Games mark of 145.00. Let's see what the flash is after lap 1. It was 53 point something. But now let's see if anyone has any kick in them for the final 300 meters now, 250. So it seems that Afzal has pulled out, so now it is an open race. Krishan is coming up. This is Krishan Kumar, and Krishan has won it. That is probably Krishan Kumar's race. Afzal pulling out at the 600 meter mark. Again, so Krishan has got 147.68, and that is the mark he has got for winning this race. Prathamesh 147.97 and Satyajit 148.40. So yeah, nothing spectacular, but that is probably it from the Senior Federations Cup. Here you see the final results on men's 800 meter.
I'm really glad कि टूर बाजी पे थे, टूर बाजी ने congratulate किया बहुत बार, तो that's a really happy moment for me.
Vice President, Jharkhand
personal best over here as well. Ready? You were prepared to do a best, or how did it?
I was prepared since SAP games only, but anyhow, ankle की वजह से थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हुई थी, but now like 50% मेरा ठीक था, and weather, thanks to God, weather ने help किया, thanks to AFI इतना अच्छा event organize किया, thanks to DSYW जहाँ मैं practice करता हूँ, so I'm really glad कि मैंने ये 20 meter barrier cross किया 3 बार, like last 4, 5, 6 throws, so I'm really glad.
What does it take to cross the 20-meter barrier?
Mindset, I would say mindset, because of there is only one thing, it's only and only mindset, because of if we think it's a wall over there, we can't, but if we think we can do it, if we think we can do it for India, so it is, and we can, and I did it. So thanks to those who are back behind me, thanks to everyone, I would say that thanks to the one of the most in the competition that I am really glad. Thank you so much.
You crossed it many times. Multiple times you crossed it in this competition. In this competition, three times. Once you crossed it, became easy for you, or like what was that like?
That's really true. एक बार मैंने क्रॉस कर दिया तो उसके बाद लग रहा था कि यार अब चलो इसको क्रॉस करना है, अब मेरे को और अच्छा करना है. So I was thinking to do good, but कभी हवा चल जा रही थी तो कभी कुछ चल जा रहा था, तो ना बीच में बॉडी ठंडी हो जाती है, कभी समझ में नहीं आती. So I was really worried कि फाउल थ्रो भी ना हो जाए, मेरे को लग भी ना जाए. So that's why I was being कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, it happens, चलो थ्रो.
Samar, you had never crossed 20 before coming to this meet, and when Tejinder crossed 20.07 in his first throw, were you worried or were you planning or did that motivate you?
That's really motivated me because of बाजी के लिए 20 मीटर कुछ नहीं है. बाजी कभी भी मतलब 100 के उठे हैं तो बाजी 20 मीटर लगा देंगे. बाजी is really good. उनका टर्न मैं बोलता हूँ, उनका सेंटर जैसे इंडिया में कोई चला नहीं सकता. मतलब मैंने उनको बहुत बार बोला भी है अभी इंडोर में बाजी आपका सेंटर में बहुत दिखता हूँ. So he said that thank you. So it's a really motivation for me.
Okay, so इसका जब obviously you are very young, so when he kind of calls it the day, तो ये national तो ये knowledge transfer जो है वो कैसे आप प्लान करते हैं उनके साथ? Do you plan that knowledge transfer with him?
उनके कोच सामने भी मेरे को बहुत कंग्रेचुलेट किया, उनके कोच सामने भी मेरे को बहुत गलतियां समझाई कि समर ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं ऐसा. तो वो चीजें बहुत मायने रखती हैं मेरे लिए कि इतने सीनियर कोच मेरे को सिखा रहे हैं, एंड मैं थोड़ा और अच्छा करूं, मैं इंडिया को प्राउड करा पाऊं.
हाँ.
आप उनके काफी बड़े फैन लगते हैं. How long have you been watching?
जब मैंने गेम शुरू किया था बाजी टॉप पे थे, जब मैंने मेरा गेम शुरू किया था, सो इट रियली हेल्प्ड. सो फिर मैंने मेरी टेक्निक को चेंज किया जब मेरा ऑपरेशन हो गया था, तो उसके बाद मेरे को एंकल में इंजरी, तो उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि चलो थोड़ा सा अतरंगी स्वभाव को लेके आते हैं. तो मैंने एक टॉम वॉल्स है न्यूजीलैंड के थ्रू, मैंने सोचा कि वैसे चल के देखता हूं, तो वो मेरे पे काम किया. फिर मैंने धीरे काम किया. सो नाउ गॉड ग्रेस.
आप कभी उनसे मिले टॉम वॉल्स?
नहीं ऐसी किस्मत कहाँ.
अभी कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में
मैं उनके जूनियर से जरूर मिला हूँ.
जैको गिल की बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, जैको गिल भी बहुत अच्छा थ्रोअर है. 22-44 लगाई है उन्होंने भी थ्रो, एंड उनने जूनियर में तो
24 शायद
झंडे नहीं गाड़े थे, उनने सभी गाड़ दिया था. ऐसा 25 मीटर प्लस कोई मजाक है हमारे लिए. सो इट्स रियली ग्रेट. जैको गिल ने सर उनका एक और जूनियर उन्हीं के साथ वर्कआउट करता है, वो न्यूजीलैंड से थे, मैं उनको जर्मनी में मिला.
अच्छा.
सो मैंने उनसे पूछा था कि यार मैं उनके साथ अटेंड चलता हूँ, तो उसने बोला था बात करा ही नहीं अभी तो बस. सर सिंपली टारगेट है कि इंडिया को प्राउड करा पाऊँ. थैंक्स टू एएफआई कि ये चीज मेरे को मिल रही है. थैंक्स टू एएफआई ही है कि मेरे को इतना प्रमोट कर रहा है, इतना हेल्प कर रहा है, कि इतने अच्छे कंपटीशन कंडक्ट करा रहा है. एंड थैंक्स कि जो इनने अभी लगाया है ना कि तुम्हें 2 कंपटीशन पहले खेलने पड़ेंगे, उससे तुम्हारा डर खत्म होगा. सो दैट्स रियली गुड थिंग फर्स्ट कि नहीं तुम कंपटीशन खेलो, तुम्हारा डर खत्म होगा. तो दैट रियली हेल्प मी, बिकॉज मैंने बैंगलोर में 1974 किया था और मैं उसमें हैवी शॉट पे वर्क कर रहा था, तो उसने मेरे को और बूस्टअप किया कि यार समर तू कर सकता है. दैट्स अ क्लिक फॉर मी. सो दैट्स रियली हेल्प मी. कोई मार्क है माइंड किसके लिए कमेंट
या फिर इस साल के लिए भी, मतलब या फिर where do you want to end the season?
Personally, I would say that that's a hard thing, but yes, मेरे दिमाग में इतना है कि मैं इंडिया को प्राउड करा पाऊँ.
अभी कहाँ ट्रेन कर रहे हो?
मैं DSYW Academy भोपाल में कर रहा
MP.
और कुछ और कहने वाले थे अभी want to say that you one your goal which is the big goal you want to keep with you, but what about the goal for this year and Commonwealth?
this year and like in Commonwealth I'm sure मैं Tom Ball से जरूर मिलूंगा उसको बोलूंगा जरूर कि तुझे जुड़ने की बात नहीं कर रही but for it I would say that कि हाँ मैं इंडिया को proud कर रहा हूँ mostly because I'm really happy right now because मैंने
Ladies and gentlemen, we are
I would say
witnessing
that
another
कि
ceremony of
मैं और अच्छा करूँ मैं इंडिया को प्राउड करा पाऊँ and जब इंडिया बैक पे आता है तो it have a really have a thing कि नहीं आपको इंडिया के लिए
being
प्राउड करना है
accompanied by
रांची थोड़ा लग गया आपके लिए सैफ में भी आई थिंक
It's been really lucky for me because मैं यहाँ पे टीम लीडर भी था उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे गोल्ड भी था मेरा 9 मिनट रिकॉर्ड भी था पिछले साल ओपन नेशनल में मेरा यहीं पे गोल्ड था मैंने 20 मीटर बैरियर भी रांची में ही क्रॉस किया सो रांची थैंक्स रांची really रांची
What's next for you? What is next for you right now? As in, like, are you going back to Bhopal to train या फिर आपने कोई सोचा कि this हफ्ते अभी Commonwealth के लिए?
No, I'm going back to home because of few things at home. उसके बाद I'm sure I will be back to Bhopal. थोड़ी देर बाद I don't know the
please welcome our medal winner.
घर भागूंगा मैं थोड़ा सा इसीलिए
आपके biggest supporter कौन रहे हैं अब तक?
That's been my coach he's the one he's the back because इनने मेरे को technical wise में बहुत ट्यून किया and इनके अलावा बोलूँ तो मेरी family मेरे भाई लोग जो मेरे back support है भाई really helped me even मैं आरिफ भी है मोहम्मद शाद है फिर बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी जो मेरे साथ रहे हैं
Bronze medalist
उन सबकी blessings I would say that कि मैंने 20
with the performance 80.40 meters.
Many congratulations.
thank you so much
And everything is upcoming competitions. Oh, you know. That's one question. I will show you one. Excuse me. Hello for this.
That is Glasgow.
British ceremony area.
So that is the expectation. Commonwealth Games gold.
Yeah.
Can you want to speak little bit?
Huh?
You want to, can he speak little bit?
Uh,
Okay, you know.
you don't speak.
Yeah, he should. Like, he'll be giving.
So how
No,
was your-
he can give the this. He talk only directly whatever he speak. He don't give the reason, but he will. I ask.
Yeah, you can ask him if you can come.
Yeah.
Monday से बात करेंगे.
हाँ बुला हाँ.
What was your target for today? Like you reached the qualification.
I just want to qualify for Commonwealth Games. I don't expect anything. I just want to move forward every competition. Like first competition, jump nationals, like 1678. Then Chennai series, 1695. Today, 1708. Everything is going good. Looking forward. Waiting for good moment. No expectation. Just I want to do. Lot of happens last year, but this year I don't want that. I want to go step by step. Yep.
So last Commonwealth Games you finished fourth.
Yeah.
And you showed us the photo also.
Okay. So a lot of impact in my heart. I'm waiting for 4 years for the Commonwealth Games. Last 2 centimeters, last Commonwealth Games. This comedy in this Commonwealth, everyone knows where I lost. I will start again. This is just beginning. Waiting for good moment.
You were very close to win the bronze medal last year. So is that burning desire inside of you that I want to just go and rock the world in Glasgow, the same islands where you were 4 years ago?
Yeah. See, this is the thing is I lost a lot of competitions. Olympics, 4 World Championships. Last Asian Games also my quadriceps is there. I got bronze medal. I recently last 2023 that like I'm the top lead athletes in the world.
Yeah.
But in the Commonwealth, there's always too much impact in my heart. If you all interview, I'm always talking about my Commonwealth Games. So since I'm waiting for my Commonwealth Games, so I'll show you already photos.
Yeah, of
You
course.
can get that answer.
Yeah.
So I don't want to give any surprise now.
Yeah.
Everyone already give. So I don't want to give now. See 400, the guy Vishal, he's broke national crazy run. So and Animesh, everyone. So my athletes in my team jumpers also doing good, and Sri Shankar, Abu Bakar have some angle or I don't know what happened to him, but I'm always support Abu Bakar, and of course he's every competition with me. I can't lose him. So he's outside brother, inside competitor, but outside is my brother. Of course I will support for him. and everything is going good. Thank you so much, everyone, for the support for me. If I lose, they will support. If I win, they will more support. And thank you so much.
So, Praveen, you competed in a lot of long jump event this season. And a lot of fans are like curious about why did you choose that path?
What's the future there?
Yeah.
No, it's my favorite event is long jump. When I born, I'll do start jumping. So long jump. Then, guys, I'll tell you, long jump is some surprises there.
Oh,
Waiting
okay.
for a good moment. I see indoor competition. I did only 3 jumps.
Hmm.
So because of the very close to competition,
Yeah.
yeah, I'll give you good surprise.
You're planning more long jumps this season, or
Next season.
Long jump is my love. Triple jump is my wife. So
You can have both of them together.
that is illegal. So I want to do long jump and triple jump always.
Hmm.
I'll be there, but I want to do long jump also. Of
You
course,
just, yeah, sorry.
so, yeah. Tell me. No
Yeah,
problem.
you just spoke about Abdullah and your rivalry with him on the field, on the ground.
Okay.
Like you said that you are competitors on the field. So how does he inspire you to go a notch higher, and how does this camaraderie work actually?
See, in outside track, I'm too much respect to the all the triple jumpers. I'll respect everyone. He's also treat me like a brother. If I do any mistakes, he's also teach me the how to do this thing. Even I'm also doing like this whenever he has. And inside competition, encourage each other, pushing each other. We are always fighting in the competition. But today is a lot of
Yeah.
some competition is like going up, some competition is going down.
Hmm.
So
I think you only took 3 attempts today, right? Or,
I'm planning for only 2 jumps. First running approach, I run, and second 73 something. Then third 17:08. Then fourth, I just want to do like normal.
Yeah.
Then I want to finish okay because I don't want injury anything.
Yeah. Okay. And similar thing you did in Chennai as well. So is it a conscious effort to avoid any kind of injury? Or?
Oh, in India, I don't want to jump more than 1750
because of conditions.
Yeah. So everyone expect from me to jump only abroad, not in India. Everyone run. See how many national record?
Yeah, of course.
Last 3 days.
Yeah.
It's too many national records.
Many national records.
Yeah. But you want.
So you want to get a national record abroad? You are saying.
Yes.
So yeah, are you fully prepared for that, or
I'm still prepared for that.
preparing
For that. And see, I broke my national record in abroad only.
Yeah.
So
Cuba.
So now I want to broke again in outside only. So I'm waiting for Commonwealth Games.
Right. Hope you get the national record there.
What about Selva Prabhu? Like he's also doing really good.
Yeah, it's good. He's my junior. Bro, see, this is how did I say? He's doing good. We are doing together. Let me see. I'm always up, bro. I'm outside of the. I told you, outside one. In field, who's fighting there? He is also doing training. He is also sacrificed a lot of things. I am also doing training. I am also doing a lot of sacrifice. See, day after tomorrow, my home. I'm already say like that. Home warming, like in
Housewarming.
Housewarming. Day after tomorrow, but I'm here. This is my dream home. So this is for my mom and gift. I spend like my life for this. So, but I'm here. My parents is waiting for me. So this is the sacrifice. He also have injury. He's doing good. I'm really so happy. He's doing great. I need to encourage every young athlete also. So I am only doing good. That's very bad. So I should support for everyone. I'm really so happy. See you, Selva, in interstate. You guys get there, everything.
Absolutely.
I mean, like you just spoke that you will be planning your peaking. So how does that happen? Like, because there are 2 main events, Asian Games and Commonwealth. How are you planning your peaking?
Everything is going step by step, bro. So I told you, everything is like depends like performance. Like today is 17:08. Next, maybe good, maybe not bad.
But you must have planned, something with the coach that after the which is your priority? Which is your actually priority where you want.
The wallpaper is the priority.
Both is very important, bro. This season I want, bro, 101 point percentage for Commonwealth Games, 100% for Asian Games.
And
Commonwealth Games.
will you be trying for World Ultimate Athletics Championship? That is also there. So
Yeah.
it's a very tight season. Will you be focusing on that at all, or
Yeah, I'm focusing. This season is Diamond League also.
yeah, Diamond Leagues as well.
So hopefully, waiting for Neeraj bro message to get. Yeah, I want to thank him also. He's always every competition send me message.
Mm.
Thanks, brother. I want to thank my team, JSW, and I want to thank my association. I want to thank federation. So thank you, media people. Thanks to Andrew. Okay.
Opinion of us.
Thank you so much.
Last wrap of the series from Federation Cup. सबने बहुत साथ दिया. John is not here, पता नहीं वो कहाँ चला गया. But हाँ, overall मजा आया. आज का दिन थोड़ा सा डल था, but yeah, Praveen's performance and Samardeep's performance did light up the day.
Yes, even
Yashas and yeah, 400 hurdles. So मजा आया overall. और जितना भी series था, I hope you will like it, and we'll see you in the next one. जब भी होगा, जहाँ भी होगा, तब तक के लिए bye.
viral guy.
These guys are doing really great work, and they are doing a lot of good research
Sir,
and
can you make one?
podcasts. No. So please subscribe to India Olympic Team.
Yes, let's
and
go.
Keep support them.
Please
Yes.
replicate what you did during the anime. Oh, sorry, the Gurinder Veer.
वीडियो में अपशब्द नहीं
पर जो भी है, अभी हम मिलते हैं आपको next time. Bye bye.